Hello everyone, this is Marceline at cashewgreens.com. This video is about growing Mayer lemons and what can you do to make your lemon blooms and produce more fruits. You can grow lemons from seeds, from cuttings, or grafting. The problem of growing lemons from seeds, it takes a while for the plant to produce fruit. As you can see here in this video, this is Eureka. I grew this plant from seed, and as you can see, there is no blooms, no fruit. This is already 7 years, and I've been doing a lot of spray, foliar spray in this plant, but I still did not get any blooms. So that is the problem of growing lemons from seeds. So the best thing that you can do is grow them by grafting or by cutting. Alright guys, the success in growing lemons is based upon you as the grower. Now there are some requirements for the Mayer lemons to thrive and grow and produce more blooms. And I'm going to share that with you in this video. So let's get started. There are some requirements for the Mayer lemons to get more blooms and produce more fruit. In this video, I'm going to share with you the 7 secrets. Number 1, light. Mayer lemon needs at least 6 hours of sunlight a day. They won't flower if sunlight is lacking. If you grow them in a container, place the plant in areas where they get most of the sun. The south-facing areas tend to get more sunlight. If you grow them indoor, place your tree in a sunny window. Rotate the plant every 2 to 3 weeks so that the entire tree gets more sunshine. Number 2, watering. Make sure your trees get the right amount of water. Overwatering can harm the plant, which also affect the fruit production. Allow the soil slightly dry between watering, but it should never be completely dry. With your finger, check the dryness of the soil 2 inches below the surface. And if you think that it is dry, then time to water them. Now when you water the plants, make sure you you gradually water them, because if you water them so fast, it stresses out the plant. Number 3, nutrients. To keep your Mayer lemon healthy, feed them with a balance of fertilizer. The best fertilizer to use is the fertilizer specific for citrus. Give them a Boss 2 tablespoons of fertilizer 3 to 4 times. Once in early spring, once in the early summer, in the midsummer, and once in the fall. Space out your fertilizing about 4 to 6 weeks. And hold off your fertilizer during winter, because in the winter season plants is less active, so you don't need to fertilize them. Number 4, temperature. Lemon is sensitive to cold, so if you're living in an area where you get the winter season, I would recommend to bring your lemon indoor. Now the temperature indoor is different than the temperature outside. So the winter heat makes the plant so dry. So what you need is, if you see the plants, the leaves is dry and crispy, just spray or mist the plant with a bottle spray with water, or you can put a bowl of water on the base of the plant. This would increase the humidity in the house. Number 4, pollination. Now Mayer lemon is self-pollinated, so you don't need to pollinate them. That is the great thing about this plant. And you just let it be, take care of them, and then they will thrive. You just take care, give them the care they want, and then you produce a lot of blooms. Mayer lemon blooms every year, and if you have a greenhouse, your lemon would continue blooming. Number 6, pruning. Now, pruning is best for the plant, and by pruning, it allows them to produce a healthy branch and also healthy leaves and produce more fruits. But only prune if there is a dead branches, or slightly prune your lemon. And if it is getting taller and crowded, then that's the time to cut them down. But other than that, you just let the plant grow by itself. As you can see here, I prune a little bit in here, especially in the center, because I want this area to have more space for air circulation, because if it is crowded in the center, it allows more disease for the plants, and by having this center open, then it circulates the air. Number 7, patience. That is one of the most important thing when you grow lemon. Sometimes it is overwhelming if you see your lemon is not doing well, and then just be patient and find some ways, some problems, get into the problems and take care of the lemon. Do some research, and also by watching this video, the 7 secrets that I just share it with you, so you will be okay. If you can't get your lemon to bloom, life won't have more lemonade. That's my closing. So if you like this video, guys, please consider to subscribe below, and also if you want to see more videos on lemon, click the link up there, and see you next